You can create these cute doodles in Procreate. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw them step by step. So if you're ready, grab your iPad or sketchbook. We are starting. So I'll start first by choosing my 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 brush for sketching, and I will set the size to 15. For this drawing, I'm gonna draw a circle, fill it with yellow color, and then I'll go to branch, activate drawing guide, and then edit drawing guide. Now I'll tab on symmetry, then I'll set it to 62. I'll tab done, then I'll go to the layer and tab on drawing assist. Now I'll choose again my sleek ink brush and start drawing those lines. I will choose the orange color and drawing the smaller lines just like this. Once I'm done, I'll turn off the drawing assist, and I will do the same as well here in drawing guide. Now I'll create a new layer above the sun layer, choosing the black, and now I'll start adding cute eyes. I will choose the dark orange to draw a cute smile in the center of the face and two cute rounded cheeks just like this, and for those I choose the pink color. Now I'll create a new layer above the sun layer and set it to multiply mode and turning on clipping mask. For adding shades, I will choose my grainy texture brush and I will choose the yellow color to add some shades. For this step, I lower the brush's opacity to get a natural texture or shadings for my drawing. Now I'll create a new layer above all those layers, set it to add mode, and then I'll choose the pure white to add some highlights to my cute sun, just like this. And that's it. Now I'll draw the second doodle for this, and I'll choose the selection tool, draw a heart, and I will choose my sleek ink brush. For the heart, I will choose pink color and start drawing random lines just like this. Now I'll turn off the selection tool and I will start drawing those lines around the heart. And here is our second doodle is ready. Now I'll start drawing this cute flower, and for this I'll draw a circle and start drawing those curved lines around the circle. Now I'll change the outline colors by tabbing on black, then choosing the layer, tab on select, and I will get it black. I'll choose the light yellow to fill in with those shapes, and now I will choose the yellow to color the center of my flower. I'll add two cute eyes and a cute smile in the center of the face, and sure, for the cheeks I will draw those cute circles. Here I start with drawing one circle, and I selected, then I tab on copy paste to copy the circle and have two. Now I will add some shades by creating a new layer, set it to multiply mode, and then then choosing my grainy texture brush to add shadows to this cute flower. And of course I'm using the same colors to do this. Now I add those lines to make the flower even cuter, and finally I will add highlights to it with white color. And that's it. Now I'll draw this cute flower by drawing 3 cute petals with red color. And for this sure I'm drawing with my sleek ink brush. I'll adjust the shape like this, and now I'll choose the green color to draw the stem and leaves. Now I'll draw cute eyes in the center of the flower and a cute smile with 2 small cheeks using the pink color. And now I'll start adding shadows and highlights to this cute flower using my grainy texture brush. And I'm using the basic color that I used to draw this flower. Finally, I'll add highlights to the flower. And to make the eyes shinier, I will add 2 small white dots inside, and that's it. Now I'll draw this cute rainbow by creating a series of curved parallel arc. And I'll start adding different colors like purple, blue, green, yellow, peach color, and then the pink. I'll add 2 cute eyes, cute smile, and 2 pink cheeks. Now I'll start adding shadows to this cute rainbow using grainy texture brush. And for this I'm still using the same colors I used to color this rainbow. For example, if I want to shade with green, I use this green. And I like to add more details to make the drawing even cuter, like those dots and those lines to give the drawing depth. The final step is to add highlighting by drawing those lines on an add mode layer and 2 cute white dots for the eyes to make them shinier. And that's it. Don't forget to mention me on my Instagram account if you draw those cute doodles. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.